So thank you for checking out StatsEdge Trading Pro. Today we're going to go over two things: what the service is and what it's not, and how to use all the different aspects of StatsEdge Trading Pro once you're in. So what is StatsEdge Trading? So StatsEdge Trading is a way for you to look over my shoulder with my research on the market each day. The main point of the service is to help you guys with one of two things. One would be outsourcing your research on the market, either to replace or to add to your own trading plan. I always suggest traders have their own trading plans. I never want anyone to copy anything that I do. This is not a signal service. I will not be telling people where to buy or sell. But what I do is each night is I do a blog post where I break down my thinking on the different markets that I watch, along with a series of stocks and cryptos and forex and futures that I may look to trade tomorrow if and when they reach a certain level. I want to again reiterate, this is not a signal service. This is not investment advice. This is you guys looking at the work that I do every night for my own trading to see how it's done. Combine this with your own trading plan or style, or just use it as a second opinion on your own detailed analysis. This is something I do myself, where I do my own research, and then quite often I'll talk to a couple trader friends and see if they arrived at consensus. You can gather some information on that as well. So if you're already a successful professional trader and you just want a second opinion on your nightly analysis and maybe some ideas that you weren't looking at, this is a great service. If you're a brand new trader and you're looking to see how somebody comes up with a nightly plan and routine to trade the markets each and every day, this is a great service for that as well. So the other way is to watch how I do things. Ideally, you're on a journey to figure out how to do your own analysis and to build your own trading style and plan. Here you can see how I do certain things in a way that you can look over my shoulder for inspiration on how to build your own analysis. I would love to hear a client that stayed with me for a few months and now just uses me as a second opinion. Says, hey, Mike, thank you. I've built my own style and plan. I have my own way of analysis that's doing it, and I'm doing it every night. And then I'm looking at your analysis again for some ideas or for a second opinion or something like that. That would be great for me. So, what exactly is offered with StatsEdge Trading Pro? A nightly blog post with annotated charts talking about the markets, what stocks I'll be watching into tomorrow. We have a live Discord chat, which again is not a signal service, but it's a place that we can all come and share ideas. And I will post from time to time. I won't be there the entire day, but I will post from time to time if I see something intraday that's happening live that's super interesting that I think, hey guys, maybe check this out. You have access to my scans across Trade Ideas and TrendSpider, which are the two platforms that I use. As I build and discover and create new scans, they will be added as well, and you guys will get those as I come up with and test the idea. Lastly, we do a monthly Q&A. So once a month, we are going to sit down. People will submit questions via email if they want to be anonymous beforehand, via text during the actual Q&A, or you can pop on the mic and we can have a little conversation if your question's a little bit too detailed to be shared via text. Those will be happening once a month. Members will be emailed about a week before they occur, and I will stay on the mic and hang out with you guys for as long as you want. We just completed the first one as a trial, and we went about 2 hours of me talking about the market and answering questions, and got some really great feedback from that. Say you've decided to join, you're trying to figure out how to navigate. Basically, each night, I will let everybody know on Discord when the new newsletter is up. So you can take a look at it and you can read all of my thoughts on the market each and every day. In that, there will be a link to a spreadsheet that will have a list of all the stocks that you can cross-reference with the chart annotations that I've done in the newsletter, just to see what I will be watching and what my watch list is each and every day coming into the market. After that, you can come to the Discord, you can chat with other traders and myself, ask questions. We will talk about anything that's occurring in the market live in real time when they happen. We are all swing traders, so it's not going to be crazy active, but there are moments where I may need to ping people quickly. That's why I've picked Discord, because you can use it on your phone, you can use it anywhere, and just send or receive a quick message. Lastly, come to our webinars. or watch the replay. They will all be saved and uploaded for you. Get your questions answered. So if you can't make the live webinar, email me in the question. I will make sure that I read it and give you as detailed of an answer as I can so that you can watch it back later. It's a great way to get me to answer any questions that you have personally and point it directly back to you. So come by and check it out. Payment is month to month, which means there is no risk to you besides the first 1 month to give it a shot. And I look forward to seeing you there.